Y'all, this literally looks like my hair.
Yeah.
Off the drain, we concentrated.
Yeah.
I know you won't leave me hanging. I need some more Russians. Smoking weed out the container. I got big rocks jumping at my brand new kinetic watch. Ice, ice, baby, I got a whole lot. I got big rocks jumping at my brand new.
The pat touchdown. Yeah. So this is another crochet install. Different color. Dun, 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 dun. It is burgundy. Okay, party people, let's really get into it, okay? This is not a sponsored video. Let's just start there, okay? I am excited about this haul because I'm not gonna lie, even though the other hair like tangled and matted when I had it in for a month from QVR, I still had received so many compliments on the hair. It's crazy. Now, that maintenance was insane. Not even gonna hold you. The maintenance was crazy on that hair. So I've had this hair so far while I'm doing this voiceover for about a week, and I did go to the Caribbean with the hair in. So I did get into salt water and things like that, and honestly the hair is the same. Now for some reason this hair is a lot more manageable to me than the blonde hair that I had. Now let's take into account of a lot of things. Let's take into account I did not shampoo the hair yet. Okay, let's take into account that. Let's take into account also that I wrap this hair up every night. The other hair, I did not do that. Also, let's take into account I did not put a lot of products in this hair. No gels, no nothing like I did the other hair. And I might have dried it out. This hair, all I've been putting is that Shine and Gel Mousse and some Got to Be Glue cream on my edges. That is it, girl. And then I've been defining it with the like dimming brush and a brush. And wetting it down. That's all I've been doing to this hair. So let's take all that into consideration. I don't know if that made a difference or not or what. I can say this hair came with a smell. It was a strong smell. I don't know if that's bleach. I don't know if that's some type of coating that they put on the hair. I don't know what it is, to be honest, but it smells. Now this is a red color. When I do wet the hair, I don't see anything bleeding from the hair, so I don't see like a deposit of color that is coming out. So I don't know how to get this red hair. Let me be honest with you. It's a 350, the red copper hair. I don't know how they got it. Like I said, I didn't see any color bleeding, but the hair was a very strong smell. And to be honest, it smelled like they bleached the hair. So if they bleached the hair, y'all, this is not synthetic hair. It may be a low quality human hair, but it's not synthetic. I see a lot of people saying it's synthetic. It's not, baby. It's not. It's not synthetic. And honestly, I really want, before I take this hair out, I really want to straighten it, at least one piece, to actually really put it to the test. Because how do you really put synthetic hair to the test without straightening it, you know? So I'm definitely going to like straighten it on camera just to kind of see what's really tea, okay? And I'm going to put that in the comments below. Well, I'm sorry, I'm going to add this to this video. And the only reason why I'm doing a voiceover like this, like I said, I don't want to mislead anyone. So this me posting this video on my channel is optional, but it is fall time. It is a pretty color. I want y'all to see my steps of the hair, the styles that I'm putting in my head over the course of the year, because I am a creator. So I want to just kind of let you guys know what I'm doing, just to give you guys even inspo. Even if you don't use this company, you can use some other company. I do have other companies that I like, that I've used, that you can use as well. Yeah, so I just kind of wanted to like put this huge disclaimer in, just so y'all can kind of really know. Like I said, I don't want to mislead you into wasting money on hair that is just not, it's not it, because I'm gonna always tell you, dispute it with your bank. I'm gonna always tell you to return some hair, because I'm not gonna vouch for it, and I don't, you know what I'm saying, and the hair's it's not tea or whatever. Like I said, I did have issues with the other hair. I recorded my maintenance. I'll let y'all know how I felt. That wasn't, that was something I chose to do because of the comments that I seen. So yeah, take that as you will. But y'all, this process is very simple. Blow my hair out, put some heat protector on it, and your girl is braiding everything back in the middle. Now I can't say this install, I do desire to wear it on the side and wear it in the middle. So that's what I end up doing, and that's why I did the braids to kind of where I did them. I made sure to be very careful with kind of putting the crochet hair tight together in the front. Also make sure you put that X right there, so that way you have the end of a parting, so that way you don't have, you don't have the parting going all the way to the back, girl. But yes, that is where we're at with it.
need some more Russians. Smoking weed out the container.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the crochet needle, put it under the braid, and then whatever side I'm working on, I'm going to point that crochet needle to that side. Since I'm working on the left side, I'm going to point it to the left side. When I'm working on the right side, I'm going to point the crochet needle to the right side. I'm going to open the hook, pull one of the crochet hairs on inside of the hook, close the hook, and then I'm going to pull it all through the hook. Now, crochet hair now is different. It has that little thread that's separating the two pieces, so that way you can easily pull things through and nothing gets super tangled. Since I'm doing the invisible method on this part, because this part is going to be shown, I'm going to pull it through, and then when I'm about to knot, I'm only going to pull one through the knot, one half of the piece through the knot. I'm not going to pull both, because I want it to fold over and look natural, like it's coming from my scalp. I'm going to do that on anything that I know is going to be exposed, like the middle part as well as one of the side parts, because I'm going to wear my hair on the side part as well. And some of the front I'll do the same way, because I want everything to kind of look seamless. Now for the back and the parts that's not going to be shown, I just pull the crochet needle through, or crochet hair through both sides, and then when I knot it, I'll pull both sides through the knot. Simple as that, y'all. Very, very easy to do. Like I said, I like to make it full in the front and at the top, and some of the perimeter in the back if I know I'm going to lift it up. Everything else, you just kind of get it dispersed through, just to kind of make it look full, but I don't want to make it look too bulky. So the back is kind of, it's a lot of missing spots in the back, which is fine because nobody should be in the back anyway.
I got big rocks jumping at my brain. Steady watch. Off the drain, off the drain, I got big rocks jumping at my brain. Petty watch. Ice, baby. I got a I know you won't leave me hanging. I need some more Russians. Smoking weed out the container. I got big rocks jumping at my brand new petty watch. Ice, baby. I got a whole lot. I got big rocks jumping at my brand new petty watch. Ice, baby. Step up on the scene, diamond bling, the whole screen. Check her boy Louis V, I'm so fresh and so clean. Stuff them bands in my jeans, slap them 30s in them things. Pull the trigger, let it sing, then go smoke a Russian cream.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, been smoking on this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3. Told him drink, it's on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. I said now go and take a shot on me. Only drug a bitch is on is a tree. But I lasted 10 rounds like a freak, like a G.
I got big rocks jumping at my brand new petty watch. Ice, baby. I got a whole lot. I got big rocks jumping at my brand new petty watch. Ice, baby. I got a whole lot. Bike make it so off the drain, we smoking weed out. Off the drain, we bike make it so off the drain, we off the drain, we smoking weed out the container. Off the drain, we concentrate.
Okay, so now that we are basically done, you have to detangle these curls out because they're going to look like synthetic curls. It's going to look crazy. So you want to make sure that you are brushing all the curls out just to kind of get a good head start, and to redefine the curls. So I brush everything out. And then I am going to layer it. To me, you just have to layer it. Like, it's just not going to look right. It has to fit you. So I always like to start off, like, since I have my hair left out just strictly on the edges, I like to start my layering for where my real hair starts, so that way it all kind of blends in together and it looks the most natural. So I'm just going to put some layers in the front for where my hair starts off, and just gonna just keep on doing that, putting some layers, and I'm going to put some layers throughout. I don't have an exact method to this, y'all. I'm just going to do it until I feel like it looks appropriate, and then I'm going to snip some dead ends off at the bottom, and we'll pretty much be done after that point. Well, when it comes to layering, after that I'm going to put some, so this hair I realized only one product is good for it, and the product is Shine and Jam Mousse. So yeah, that's all I use is Shine and Gel Mousse. No oil, no gels, no nothing. Just a Shine and Gel Mousse on the hair. I do a little Got2b glue cream on my edges, and some water to kind of start the foundation off. But that's it, y'all. Nothing else is done for this hair. Sometimes I let it air dry. Sometimes I dry it a little bit, but it depends on what it is. It depends on if it's cold outside, if I'm going somewhere. It really just depends. So and then I make sure that I tie it up at night, y'all. That is something that's actually very, very important as well. And yeah, now a lot of people are saying, like I stated, that this hair was not human hair. But as you guys can see, once I took everything out and cut everything out, I said, let me just try and see if this hair would actually straighten or how it's going to react with high temperatures. So I used one of those thermal brushes. I started off with like 320 degrees, and it did start to straighten out. I didn't get any black smoke. I didn't get any crispiness. The hair didn't start feeling stiff after that. And then I made sure I went all the way to 450 degrees, y'all, and the same thing happened. It actually ended up straightening, it ended up curling. I didn't get any black smoke. I didn't get anything that synthetic hair does when it is straightened. So this is not synthetic hair, y'all. It's actually human hair. I know it's hard to deal with sometimes because it's kinky, curly hair. You just gotta know what works. The Shine and Jam is the only thing that worked for me. I'm gonna be honest, and that made everything a lot more manageable. And then I also wore this hair to a cruise, so I had it in salt water, I had it in chlorine water, and my hair was fine, y'all. I'm just letting you guys know. Okay, I'm just letting you guys know the process and what I understood from this hair. So yeah, love y'all so much, and yeah, continue watching the rest of this video, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.
Yeah.
I know you won't leave me hanging. I need some more Russians. Smoking weed out the container. I got big rocks jumping at my brand new Patek watch. Ice, baby, I got a whole lot. I got big rocks jumping at my brand new Patek watch. Ice, baby, Step up on the scene, diamond blindy whole screen. Check a boy Louis V, I'm so fresh and so clean. Stuff them bands in my jeans, slap them 30s in them things. Pull the trigger, let it sing, then go smoke a Russian cream.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, been smoking on this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3. Told him drink is on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. I said now go and take a shot on me. Only drug a bitch is on is a tree. But I lasted 10 rounds like a freak, like a G.
I got big rocks jumping at my brand new Patek watch. Ice, baby, I got a whole lot. I got big rocks jumping at my brand new Patek watch. Ice, baby, I got a whole lot. Why you make it so off the drain week? Smoking weed out off the drain week. Why you make it so off the drain week? Off the drain week. Smoking weed out the container. Off the drain, we concentrate. Yeah. Oh.
I actually like this hair better than I thought. I thought I was gonna hate the color, but I think I actually may keep this hair in for my trip. Look at that, y'all. Wow, this literally looks like my hair. And this is a hair like 50% dry. I'll come back when everything is pretty much done.
rocks jumping in my brand new Patek watch. Ice, ice, baby. I got a JP. Life made it so off the drain, we smoking weed up. Off the drain, we I got big rocks jumping in my brand new